Hello Creality K2 Plus users. Today we are going to have a look at the Creality Toolhead cover. With the Creality K2 Plus, many small design elements have been changed for the better based on feedback and lessons learned from previous printers. One of those elements is the K2 Plus Toolhead cover. To understand why a very simple and helpful change was made, we first need to look at some of the other models. Here I am removing the cover of the K1. In order to remove the cover, you have to remove a screw on each side of the tool head and then disconnect the cable from the fan attached to the front face of the tool head. Here is the K1 Max. This one's even worse. You will see you have to remove the LiDAR and then screws on the tool head cover and then a fan cable just to remove the tool head cover. Let's have a look at some of Creality's other newer model printers. Here, the V3 and V3 Plus. Both have screws on the tool head cover that need to be removed. Here is the CR10 SE. Here is the V3 SE. Here is the V3 KE. The one thing you notice on all of these machines, 1, 2, 3, or even 4 screws that need to be removed, followed by delicate cables powering the fans attached to these tool head covers. Let's move over to my friends at Bamboo. Here is the X1C. Here is the P1P. Here is the P1S. You will see all of these tool head covers pop off much more easily using magnets. However, they also have cooling fans built into the tool head cover and delicate cable connections that need to be removed, then replaced just to take this tool head cover off. This common theme carries across multiple printers from multiple manufacturers. Screws and cables to simply remove the tool head cover. This brings us back to the K2 Plus. The Creality K2 Plus toolhead has neither of these issues. It attaches via magnets and has no fan or cabling running from the tool head to the components. It simply snaps on and snaps off. Here is the Creality toolhead cover. Here is the Bamboo Lab P1S, P1P, and very similar to the X1C toolhead cover. Behind the Bamboo toolhead cover, you will see there is a cooling fan and this tiny little fragile connector. Oftentimes, users fail to reconnect this properly, leading them to believe that their fan is malfunctioning. Here on the Creality K2 Plus toolhead cover, no fan, no wiring, no connectors. It would seem Creality is not the only company that has learned this lesson. Let's have a look at the newest Bamboo printer, the A1, where you will also see the new snap-off cover that also has no cabling or fans. Instead, it simply snaps on and snaps off. This is a welcome feature to the K2 Plus that allows for much easier access to your cooling fans, extruder, hot end, and nozzle. Goodbye screws and cables. Hello, one-handed installation.